Hey everyone, this is Brendan at Colton RV. We are with the 2023 Grand Design Reflection 315 RLTS. This is a travel trailer version of the Reflection. Let's check it out. What caught my eye to begin with on this Reflection was the front cap. Usually Grand Design has black front caps, but this one is a really cool gray. It's still got the LED strips all the way around, but it's just a nice gray accent compared to the black. And this material down here, you'll notice it's a little bit different than up here. It's rough, it's rugged, it's gonna take those rocks and everything that flies up from the road, kick them back down, it's not gonna damage the nice fiberglass cap. And as we work our way around, you guys probably saw it on that side, we have unobstructed pass-through storage on here. I don't know, Mike, if you can stick the camera in there, you can see straight through. You can put all of your stuff that you don't want in the coach right in there, and it's got your convenience center right here. It's got your satellite, your cable, everything you need, your hot, cold water, all in one convenient place. And this is a triple slide out travel trailer, so there's tons of room, but you're gonna see even more storage on this slide out here. And the triple slide out is gonna offer even more interior space, which you guys are gonna see as we hop inside. On the inside of this Reflection, thanks to the opposing slides on both sides, it's got a ton of living space. It almost feels like a fifth wheel in here, which makes sense because Grand Design makes the Reflection not only as a travel trailer like we're in right now, but also as a fifth wheel. So they carried over some of those features and those conveniences from a fifth wheel, squeezed it into a travel trailer package. First thing being this gigantic kitchen island. It's a great extension of your counter space. It also has a gigantic, deep, stainless steel sink as I remove the covers here. Do all your dishes, you can fit plenty of pots and pans in there as well. And the other thing that you get with the kitchen island, which is super important, especially in the smaller travel trailer, is more storage. We've got a ton of these really deep, tall drawers all the way down, and below the sink, more storage. You even have room for like a full-size kitchen garbage can under there. It's just awesome. And directly across the way from the kitchen island, guys, we have our dining area. This has half booth, half chairs, so you've got room for four, sit comfortably, eat your meals, look out the nice big picture windows. Directly next to our dining area, we've got these super comfortable, all leather Thomas Paine theater seating. So this is gonna have massage and heat, and I believe if we pull up, more storage under there. Of course, you can never have too much storage in an RV. And directly next to our theater seating, we have a sofa. But this sofa is also gonna double as a bed. So these seats are gonna pull out, bed's gonna pull out, more sleeping space. And of course, as I've talked about already, we have plenty of storage just about everywhere you can fit it. All the way up above our theater seating, nice, big, deep cabinets, as you can see those cabinets run all the way across, back and forth across the top of the back of this trailer. And of course, directly across from our theater seating, we have our entertainment center. We have a nice big flat screen TV. Up here we have our entertainment center that's going to do your DVDs, your CDs, your Bluetooth, everything like that. A nice convenient package right above the TV. And of course, for those chilly mornings or chilly evenings, electric fireplace. It's not going to heat the entirety of the trailer, but it is going to take that chill out of the air. And probably my favorite part is the rest of this kitchen. This is a full residential kitchen. We've got a huge Furrion microwave, a 3-burner cooktop from Furrion. I believe that's propane as well. Nice, easy to cook on there. And this fridge, look at this fridge. This is a side-by-side fridge and freezer. This is bigger than the one I've got at home. It's ridiculous. So I'm gonna open this up. That's just the fridge side. There's a whole nother half. So we've got a full fridge, nice lit, and a freezer with a little ice cube tray too. So yeah, nice fridge. Oh, forgot one thing. I call this the peekaboo pantry. You can see, you can kind of see through the front of this here, but this is a nice big pantry for all your foods, your food goods, whatever else you have. And the light pops on so you can see you got drawers all the way down, plenty of storage. And these things are really easy to clean. You can't tell on the video, but it's a nice, easy to clean material. Close that up. And at the front of the kitchen, we have this really, you can use the space for whatever you want. It can be a coffee bar, it can be a cocktail bar. If you have some of your campground neighbors over, you're doing a potluck, everybody can put their crock pots, their different dishes right there. And of course, more storage, because you just can't have enough storage. And as we work our way to the front of the trailer, we'll get to the bathroom and the bedroom. But first, I want to show you guys this. When you first walk up, there's another storage cabinet here, which allows you access to the kitchen cabinets, but all of your controls are right here. You've got your solar. This actually has solar up on the roof, and all of our water controls, all of our lights, all of our awnings, everything like that. Control it nice and easy from there. And headed back this way, Mike, I'll let you pop in the bathroom. We've got a full bathroom in this thing. We've got a nice porcelain foot flush toilet, nice tall shower with the skylight. Love the black accents with the hardware. Actually, let me step in there. So I'm 6'2". In a lot of these RV showers, I just don't fit in. And that's not a problem here. I've got plenty of headroom. That skylight allows for nice natural light. Watch your head when you step out, but that is a nice tall shower. And then we have a huge medicine cabinet. Look at that. More storage, of course, you guys are catching on. We love storage. Grand Design does a great job of maximizing the storage. And we have the same countertop here that we had on the kitchen island, and as well as the kitchen countertops carries over here into the bathroom. More black, beautiful hardware, even on the towel rack. Handles as well. Nice deep storage drawers here in the bathroom. And even more storage under the sink. So there's really not one single inch wasted in this reflection. All right, and as we work our way to the very front of the trailer, you're gonna see the bedroom. This is a huge, spacious bedroom. It's got a pocket door there that'll slide, make the trailer feel way more open when it's not closed. And we have plenty, you guessed it, of storage. Over here we have these nice mirrors that help make the room feel a little bit bigger, but these doors are gonna slide, and this is just a gigantic closet. If you really wanted to, you could lay back here. It's not very comfortable, so I wouldn't recommend it. Probably use it for a closet, but that's just how much space we have. Let's see. Yep, more storage. But wait, there's more storage. There's even more storage under your bed. Your nice comfortable bed lifts up really easy. Assist close, so you're not gonna lose any fingers or anything like that. Beautiful bed. Nice headboard there, that's nice. Nice accent. More cabinets. Let's see, and across from the bed, we've got our dresser. And above the bed, if you want to add another TV, it's already prepped. It's got the satellite cable hookups and your power there. And directly across from the main closet, we have this wardrobe too, which is another awesome place to store your clothes. Already got the coat rail in there, so you can hang all your shirts, all your coats, whatever you want. And we even got a couple of extra drawers down here too.